Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Are you tired of struggling with complicated design software to create stunning covers for your projects? Say hello to effortless design with our drag and drop Canva cover design mockup templates. With over 100 customizable templates, eCover empowers you to craft professional eCovers without needing any design expertise. Here's how it works. Simply drag elements, drop your content, and voila! Within moments, you'll have a cover that captivates. Our templates cover a wide range of needs: box shot, coloring books, ebooks, spiral notebooks, magazines, Christmas chip bag design, devices bundle, digital planner, tablet and mobile, PC and laptop mockup template. This is perfect for product creators, affiliate marketers, PLR buyers, coaches, writers, artists, content creators, ebook lovers, and anyone looking to enhance their digital presence. Regardless of your background, eCover simplifies the creation of stunning eCovers without the need for design skills or mastering complex software. Enhance your brand with standout, professional designs that captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. Stop struggling with design complexities, unlock your creative potential effortlessly. Click the buy button below to get instant access.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.